To explore the part design pattern tools, start with a rectangular pad with a pocket in its top face. Let's start with mirroring. To mirror the entire object, select the pad. Then go to Part Design, select Transformation Features, and select Mirror. Go to the Mirror dialog and select the mirror plane. The selected feature is mirrored across the selected plane. As the final step, click OK. To edit the transformation, double-click it in the model tree. To remove it, right-click the transformation, then select Delete. You can also mirror individual features. For example, select the pocket instead of the pad. Next, repeat the same steps to mirror only the pocket. Select Part Design, click Transformation Features, and select Mirror. The selected feature is mirrored across the selected plane. Once it's done, click OK. Delete the transformation before continuing. Right-click on the transformation and select Delete. Let's move on to the linear pattern. Select the pad, go to Part Design, select Transformation Features, and click Linear Pattern. This tool repeats a feature along a straight line. In the dialog, you can set its direction, its pattern length, and the number of occurrences. Enable Direction 2 to create a second pattern in another direction. Once it's done, click OK. Before move on, delete the transformation. Right-click it in the model tree, then click Delete. You can also apply a linear pattern to pockets, holes, and other part design features. Let's move on to the Polar Pattern tool. Select the pocket, go to Part Design, go to Transformation Features, and select Polar Pattern. In the dialog, you can set the rotation axis, the total angle, and the number of occurrences. After the settings, click OK. Finally, let's talk about the Multi-Transform tool. Go to Part Design, select Transformation Features, and click Multi-Transform. This tool helps you to combine multiple transformation operations into a single feature. Just go to the Transformation section and right-click with the mouse to add the transformation. For example, select a linear pattern. Once it's done, right-click again and add the mirror transformation as well. Finally, click OK to create the combined transformation. Next, we'll learn about sketch geometry, planes, and construction mode in FreeCAD.